Hola y buenos días. Bienvenido a clase. La clase de hoy se llama ¿Dónde está? Where is it? Now, escucha la pronunciación. ¿Dónde está? The accent's on the second part of the word. So it wouldn't be like our name, Esther. It'll be almost as if the E at the beginning isn't there. ¿Dónde está? Okay. En español, there are probably lots of ways to translate the word is. Es, that means it is, when we're defining something. So, es grande, it's big. Es americano, he or she is American. Oh, he is American. Es americana would be she is American. I means there is. Por ejemplo, hay muchos países en este mundo. And está talks about your location or the location of something. So we could say, ¿Dónde está? Where is it? ¿Dónde está exactamente? Where is it exactly? See? And then we can say, está en el norte. Mira, está allí. Look, it's there. Mira, está allí. So that's really useful. We use es when we ask where someone's from, because that's like a defining thing. Tu amigo, ¿de dónde es? From where is he? ¿De dónde es? No es peruano. He's not Peruvian. Now, I'd like to introduce here a lovely word, verdad. So think of a bear who's a dad, verdad. And it means true. So we could say, no es peruano, verdad? So we wouldn't say he's not Peruvian, true, in English. We'd say right, wouldn't we? So that could be your translation. No es peruano, ¿verdad? No, es español. No, he's Spanish. Es de Mijas. He's from Mijas. See? Okay, and then we go back to está to ask where Mijas is. ¿Dónde está Mijas? Mijas está en el sur de España. Then we go back to es to define Mijas. So we would say, Mijas no es grande, ¿verdad? No, Mijas es pequeño. It's small. Lovely word, like a little pecking hen. Pequeño, it means small. So, Mijas es pequeño. Mijas es un pueblo. It's a town or village. Mijas es un pueblo. Es muy bonito. It is. You should look for it. You should visit. So we have those words to translate is. Es for defining something. I for saying there is so many things in the world. Hay un país que se llama España. Y en España hay un pueblo que se llama Mijas. Okay, those ones were there is. And está for location of something. Mijas está en el sur de España. Now, if you have Pasos, you might want to look at página 36. There's a nice diálogo entre dos mujeres, between two women, about where they're from and what it's like and where it is, see? I just, before I go, like to go through a couple of other parts of the verb to be. Eres is you are in the to form. So, no eres americano, ¿verdad? And estás means you are for the to form when we're talking about where you are. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás hoy? Maybe you could put in the comments box. And to do that, you'll need the third part of the verb to be, well, actually the first part, I am. So, soy inglesa. And to say where you are, you would say estoy. So, estoy en Shilbottle, en el norte de Inglaterra. Okay. So, finalmente, another part of your practice today would be de donde eres, where are you from? Soy de Wotton in Norfolk. And then donde estás hoy, where are you today? Donde estás hoy? And estoy en Shilbottle, en el norte de Inglaterra. And maybe you could vary that a little bit. Maybe you could write it all in the comments for me to read. I would love that. And I would also love it if you subscribe to the channel, if you like the video, and if you share it con un amigo que aprende español. I've loved doing this video and I would love to read your comments. Muchas gracias for watching y nos vemos pronto. Hasta pronto. Adiós.